Hey everybody, Bill Young. Hi everybody, Bill Young here. I want to talk about a project and a collaboration and all kinds of things. So the most important part is, I've been making these ear savers, which are these plastic strips that hook on the back of the things that go behind your ears on a dust mask. So you can hook them on, put on the mask, hook the other side, hook it over your ears, and it just takes the load off the back of your ears. Health workers in particular are having a tough time with that stuff, with their ears, having to wear masks all day. So this was an idea that somebody came up with to take some of that load off. So I've been making them out of this thin plastic. It's real thin, and it can be cut with a pair of scissors. So you can get, depending on your mask, you can cut it to length. So the one that I use that fits this mask is actually just the shortest part. So I cut off this extra bit right here and right there, and I just use this, and it's perfect. I don't have a bunch of ends sticking out. It doesn't work with these kind of masks, the old woodworker's shop mask that has the straps that go around your head. They are just what they are. But if you have the kind of mask that goes over behind your ears to hold like this, it just helps keep tension on it, keeps from tearing your ears up. It does all that stuff. So I've been sending them all over the place. I sent probably 1,500 to a community hospital group in Brooklyn. I've sent them to Boston. They've been all over the place here. I've handed out, just people at the post office, people at the grocery store, whatever. But I'm collaborating now with Great Machipongo Clam Shack in Nassawaddox to distribute them just to individuals. So the idea is I've done packs of 5. And they've got a bunch at their drive-through windows. You can go to the Clam Shack on Route 13 and go through the drive-through and pick up a pack. And while you're there, of course, you want to grab something to eat. They have all kinds of real tasty food. So go to the Clam Shack, pick up a pack of 5. I figure 1, maybe 2 for you, and a couple to give away. Give to friends, give to family. We'll spread them out to just individuals. When you get them, they're kind of shop clean, but certainly not clean. They've been blown off with an air compressor. So most of the dust off them, take them home and wash them. Just wash them in soap and water. They're just plastic, won't hurt anything. Just get them good and clean, let them dry, and you're in business. So I want to thank a couple of people. I want to thank ShopBot Tools for paying me. Every other Friday I get a check. I've been working on this stuff pretty much full time, doing videos and stuff, but I'm cutting all day long, 900 to 1,000 of these a day. Norva Plastics over in Norfolk has been incredibly generous in keeping me supplied in sheets of plastic to make these. And I want to thank Howard and Greg and Minerva and everybody there for the help that they've given. H.M. Terry Company, they get their driver that delivers seafood over there to stop by and pick up plastic for me and bring it back, which saves me a trip over there. It's a half a day by the time you get going and get over there. So Digger's been picking up with the plastic when I need some and bringing it to me. So it works spectacular. And let me see who else. I know I've forgotten somebody. But anyway, if I remember, I'll add it to the list in the description on YouTube. I'll put the links to all the people that have been helping me, and it's greatly appreciated. And so if you want some and you're on the Eastern Shore, stop by the Clam Shack, call in advance or look on the web, look at their menu. They got all kinds of seafood and every kind of good thing to eat. So order some food, go through the drive-thru, tell them you want a pack of ear savers, spread them around, and everybody be safe.